Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys another product sent to me by a company called Raleno. And they were nice enough to reach out. They saw my YouTube channel. They said, hey, we make products for filming and for photography. We have a couple things we'd like to send you to share on your channel with your subscribers. And hopefully you get some use out of it and improve the quality of your videos. And one of the devices is the Raleno 3 tripod box lighting set that I reviewed the other day. I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but I do have two of the lights on right now in the back room, so hopefully you're seeing a little bit of improvement in the lighting here in my office. I'm just gonna have to play around and pick the best placement for these. So awesome company. I really appreciate them sending me these lights. And the other thing they sent me is one of their flashes, and this is for it's for the Canon and Nikon DSLR cameras. Now I was a little hesitant to accept this because I don't have a camera. So luckily my sister does, and this is something I'm going to come back and re-review at a later date, but I wanted to at least share it with you guys in a timely manner because they just sent it about a week ago, and I wanted to at least share it with you guys, let you guys know that I will be reviewing this at a later date after I have a chance to review it and use it. And my sister's really into photography, so hopefully this is something that if I can't get any use out of it, she can. So it comes with the bag, and this is going to run you $55 with free shipping on Amazon. And so I believe a lot of their stuff that they make is more of an entry-level kind of photography equipment that's not for the professional. Now, I don't really know much about photography, so I'm just assuming there. I've seen huge price points, so there has to be a difference between a $55 flash and a $300 flash. But let's face it, I mean, there's a lot of markup on things, and you pay a lot for brand names. So I'm curious to see what my sister thinks about this, and I'm curious to see what you guys think about this. So let's get into it. I'm going to tell you I'm going to basically read you guys the specifics on this because I don't really know. It's not like a watch where I know a lot about that stuff. This I don't know much about. So it comes with the case, of course, which is pretty cool. Has a little bit of an eyelid on here. You can hang keys on or whatnot. It's a Velcro top case, and you have storage on the bottom for extra batteries. You can see, or maybe memory cards. It has 4 loops right here where you can put 4 AA batteries, which is what powers this thing. The case can actually go on your belt. It is a Velcro attachment, so you can actually pop this on your belt. You don't have to take your whole belt off if you want to remove it or put it on. And this is the flash here. You can see it says Raleno on the front. You have a LCD display on the back, and then a fully adjustable flash on the front there, with looks like up to 75 to 45 degrees in angle. There's a push button, what appears to be a push button on the side, but I don't think this is actually a button. It just feels like maybe just part of the pivoting mechanism. I'm not sure why they put kind of like a knurled, there's like a couple raised points on there. So I'm not sure, maybe that just makes it easier to adjust an angle. Not really sure. Several different buttons in the back, all of which I have no idea what they do. I do know that's a hot shoe. That's the only thing I know about. And it looks like there is a sort of an infrared sort of kind of shield in the front. Maybe this thing has something to do with sending out infrared. I know I had a camera in the back that did that. Again, guys, I don't know much about this stuff, but I am happy to share with you guys. So there is a pull-out, what appears to be like a pull-out filter of some sort. I'm not really sure. Maybe a diffuser. I'm not really sure about this stuff. I'm just giving you guys my best description of what I'm seeing. So pretty cool that they sent it. So $55, free shipping gets to your door. I'm going to read you right off the listing. I encourage you guys, if you're interested, to check this out. And let me know what you guys think. It's got 4.5 stars. It looks like people really like it. And that's a 21 customer review. So, you know, and a lot of stuff is for, you know, you don't have to, you know, unless you're a professional, you don't have to spend a lot of money to get decent equipment. You know, some of you are just, you know, hobbyists like myself. And, you know, I don't even have a camera. So my sister, she's, you know, done weddings and stuff like that. But even, you know, that's not her, that's more of a hobby, a little side business once in a while, but for the most part, something like this would probably be great for somebody who doesn't use their gear all the time. Again, I don't know much about it, so without further ado, let's read right off the website. So it says here, Raleno flash speed light for Canon, Nikon DSLR cameras, E-TTL and I-TTL dual mode 1/8000 HSS flash speed light GN58 with LCD display, standard hot shoe professional kit. It says here, dual mode flash speed light, automatic switching between E-TTL and I-TTL modes, TTL flash for Canon and Nikon cameras. A speed light can meet the needs of different brands of cameras around you. It says here, sophisticated design, the GN58 stable consistency and color temperature, uniform light, large backlit display allows you to easily change flash settings at night, 0 to 360 degrees, -7 to -7 degrees to -90 degrees swivel head for you to own a wider angle. Again, some stuff there's a little bit of language barrier too on how this is written, and me butchering it when I read it. So, all right, so multiple functions, multiple modes, supports 1/8000 or 1/8000 HSS, front curtain sync, rear curtain sync, auto, manual zoom. Suitable for Canon, Nikon DSLR cameras. It says Nikon D7200. I'm not going to read them all to you. There's a big list. Accessories, it gets one flash, one hard flash diffuser, which is probably what that thing was on the front, one mini stand, which I didn't show you guys, that's in my bag over there, and one protection pouch, one manual, and a 12-month warranty from date of purchase. And that's really all the information that I have for you. It says here master/slave flash, optical transmission, automatic zoom, EI-TTL GN58. So guys, I wish I could tell you guys more about it. I could tell you how to put the batteries in it. That's about it. So there you go. But still pretty cool they sent it to me. I look forward to experimenting with this and maybe picking up a camera. I've never really invested in a camera or a DSLR because I don't really do a lot of photography. I don't, I'm not really one of those folks who enjoys doing that. I mean, I like making the YouTube videos, and even doing this, as often as I do this, I still only have a $200 Canon, basically it's like a small little handheld Steadicam, and I assumed it was going to be better than my iPad I was using, but I don't know. I'm learning as I go here, even though I just won't pull the trigger. And the thing is, if I were to go and buy a really expensive camera, I mean, I'm not going to drop $1,000 or something I don't even know how to use. So maybe at a later date I could take a class or something, or just do a little more research on the internet. But what I've been doing with this has been working. So I don't really see the need and be having to spend a lot of money for a camera. So maybe that'll change at a later date. The other thing about that, off the subject, before I ramble on anymore, off the subject is I borrowed my sister's camera, which is a very nice DSLR, but the issue with that is it doesn't have I like to look at what I'm filming so right now I'm looking at the camera talking to you guys, and there's a little screen popped out so I can see myself and kind of get an idea what it's going to look like. It's very difficult for me to just look at the camera, talk, and not actually see what I'm doing, so I know you get the add-on screens, but I'm just not willing at this point to invest a lot of money in my setup. And maybe at a later date I will, as the channel grows. We'll just have to see what happens, but nonetheless, I still put up videos for you guys, and my style is raw, unedited, it's not cut, it's just completely raw. I don't even really watch the videos before I even upload them. I like to keep them just completely just real and honest, because if I say something that I may say, God, that was stupid, why did I say that, or God, that looks really dumb, or God, that looks like shit, then it's not really, I don't feel like it's authentic. So that's my style, it's what I believe, and I'm sticking to it. So guys, check this out. If you have this, let me know what you guys think. If you have any information about this, definitely drop a comment. I love when you guys comment and post about the videos and the products, and most of you are all pretty darn nice. But let me know what you guys think. Again, Raleno, thank you very much for your generosity in sending me this and the box lighting setup. I hope my subscribers enjoy it. I hope they buy it. I think that for the price point, seems like a great deal. Let me know what you guys think if you do get it. Like I said, 4.5 stars, $55 shipped. Looks like people like it. So again, tell me what you guys think, and you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.